Hi दोस्तों, welcome to EzyIT network training series. I'm discuss about how to create instance in ServiceNow, how to create form in ServiceNow, how to troubleshoot in ServiceNow. In previous video, I have learned how to create instance and how to create form. So when you click in this instance and the new page is open when this is your left side is filter navigator and here is many modules. These are your modules. When you click on this is your preference preferred. So I'm talking about my catalog item. So when you create form, then you go to my catalog. So here is my catalog, then you click here. Then you saw we have created already two catalog here. I am going to new catalog, then it's create a new catalog here. Okay, so like this ITSM 2. This is my catalog name, and you mention here the descriptions. As for the example, I'm showing here only. This is the ITSM tool. So I have created already two here. So you click on knock, and we have create here variables, catalog items. First we create catalog items. Click here, network operation center. So here is we have create here variables, the single line variables, yes, no, and select box. These all are variables. For example, I am creating one new variables here. So I click here new, and this is multiple type here. So when you click here, it's multiple type. This is reference, select box, single line text, URL, yes, no, wide single line text. So we have select anything. So I'm here select multi-line text. So here the question is describe in deep. Okay, so here the name of describe in deep. So I'm submit here. So when we try here, the new variables is showing in your field. The new, this is multi-line. When we try it, it shows on first, because describe in deep in your first, because your preference value is low, because we have not put any value here. So first is my title, second yes no field, third is location, fourth is describe. So when we go back and put here multi-line text value describing deep, so this is the order number. So I'm order number here put 50, or I'm put here 600. Okay, so then we update here, then we try it now. So first is my title, second access required or not, location, description, and describe in deep. So this is you manage your field in catalog form. So when we fill all the things here, title, required access, yes or no, here is a field, and yes, required access or not, and location we have put, descriptions for support, and describe here in deep for 24/7 support. Okay, so when we click here is order now button, then your ticket will be generated automatically. Your ticket is generated. Knock form for access new network devices. So here is your access. So two catalog item is open. One is software and one is field service. So when we go to the SC task here, the service catalog task, and here is a approver, not yet to required, requested, approve, reject. As of now, we have not mapped any workflow in this catalog task. Okay, so here is your request is approved and state is complete, close complete and close task. Then we show this RTM, your request item, and put here RITM 001002 and find. Zero result for showing here incident, because this is the service request, not a so I will check where is showing here. So I'm going to revert back as a knock. This is our catalog, and if I want to anything annotation, then we go here network operation and going to variables. Here is my variables. This is single line, this is the order 100, 200, 300, 400. So I'm going here single line task and mention here annotation and show annotation here. Then we put here the descriptions. Please put title in the title bar. Okay, so I'm save here, update and try it, and here so please put title in the title bar, because this is the dev instance. When you upload this catalog form from dev instance to production, from development to production, then it's showing in different way. Okay, so this is I'm going to going back and see here the variable set. So I'm not automatically any variable set. We have added here is multiple variables, predefined variables. Then you put here and select and save. So this is the common comments and save it. Then you try your form. Then I'm trying this form. So this is your more detailed access, location describe. Why it's not showing? I think I have not saved the here. So here I am. Okay, this is the common update. This is the 400. I'm update here. Then I will try. Also, I want to catalog active here, update. Then I will check knock and update. Then I will try here in network operation center, and I will try here more, yes, location description, describe, knock. I'm going to variables, catalog, This is my catalog item. Going to network operation center is my catalog. Then I'm going to edit options and put here. This is the collection is a common field. I move to network operation center and save it. Then I will try here. Yes, now it's showing here. These are the more information, the title bar we have already show here. Please put title in the title bar, and the new field is access required or not is I have already put. Here is more field is who is the primary contact, what cost center will be built. When you enter, this is automatically, and you create here which is the your department, who is cost via finance, develop, IT, production, sales. So you can put here you put, then it's enter here who is the primary contact. You can create your contact here. If not available, this is the your contact details already. Abel tutor is your contact person, and what is the business primary, specific project or other thing. This is the location we have put already. Description drive. This is not the mandatory field. My field is not mandatory. Okay, so when you order is order now button. Just a moment. This when you go to here and order now button is order now button. It's order now. Okay, so we have not mentioned here the mandatory field. How to mandatory field here? I'm just showing how to mandatory field. You go to your catalog items. First I'm going to go to my catalog, then go to your catalogs, then you go to the your catalog items, then you go to your variables. This is your variables here. These are variable set, and this is your variable. Then you go to, this is the title bar. Okay, so this is title bar. This is the mandatory field. When you put as mandatory, then it's update, then it's showing in the mandatory field. So you see here, I try it, and now you show this is the mandatory field. Okay, so it's now it's necessary. When you empty this field, the form will not be submitted. So this is a deep discussion of how to create a form, and next video I will provide how to create SLA, service level agreement, in this service now. Thank you for viewing.